In 3 minutes, I'll show you the 3 ways to add custom skills to your Claude Code to supercharge the terminal, execute complex workflows, and enhance its capabilities on specific, repeatable tasks. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. If you're using Claude Code out of the box, you are leaving 90% of its power on the table. The real pros aren't just chatting with their terminal. They are using skills to automate architecture, enforce design systems, and handle complex refactoring. Let's get into it. The fastest way to upgrade is the plugin marketplace. Think of this as the app store for your Claude terminal. To begin, fire up your session by typing Claude in your terminal. Type /plugin to open the interactive manager. You'll see heavy hitters like the front-end design skill, which kills generic AI design, or GitHub integration. When you install, you'll choose a scope. Think of scope like privacy settings for your workflow. User makes the skill available globally on your machine, making it available in every folder. Project locks it to your current repo, so it's only active for that specific app. It's crucial to run /reload plugins to wake them up. You can now trigger them by typing / followed by the skill name. The second method is via manual installation. If you have a specific way of writing code, like a brutalist design style or a strict test-driven development workflow, you need to build a custom skill. First, create your skill's home. Run mkdir-p/tilde/.claude/skills/your-skill-name. Inside that folder, you only need one file, SKILL.md. This is the brain of your skill. It starts with YAML frontmatter. You need a name, this becomes your /command, and a description. Claude uses this description to decide when to auto-trigger the skill, even if you don't call it.
Below the lines, write your instructions in Markdown. Tell Claude exactly how to behave. Always use React suspense. Never use barrel imports. Or start every refactor with an ASCII diagram. Drop this folder in your local .cloud/skills directory if you want to share these rules with your team via Git. The third method is using the skill creator. If you don't want to write Markdown, you can let Claude build itself. To begin, enable the skill creator tool in your settings. Start a new chat and say, Claude, I want to build a skill that reviews my PRs for security vulnerabilities using semgrep patterns. Claude will generate the sk.md file, create test cases to ensure it actually works, and even optimize the description so it triggers at the right time. Just download the file, place it in your tilde/.cloud/skills folder, and you just automated a senior level task. To see the powers of your new skills, just hit / in the terminal. You'll see your custom commands listed along with the defaults. Because Claude Code follows an open standard, these same sk.md files often work in other tools like Cursor or the Gemini CLI. One file, infinite power. So, which skill are you building first? A documentation bot or a CSS polisher? Let me know in the comments. Click this card for a selection of our best videos and AI tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.